Hi, it's Peter here from the Airgun Centre. I just want to show you some of our value packages, sort of entry level packages that won't break the bank but will give you 100% reliability. They're great fun. These are a little selection of the springers that we do as little packages. This is the Gamo Hornet, which is tactical rifle, break barrel. Nice conventional spring rifle. Really nice quality little thing to use, quite light as well. This is a Crosman Phantom. There you go. Again, we do this as a little package, comes with a case and stuff like that. Again, break barrel, totally reliable, great fun, really good entry level stuff. This is Crosman Devil, again break barrel. This is the camo version, fitted with a nice scope. Again, comes with a case as a package. And there's another Crosman here, Crosman Devil. This is the carbon finished one, carbon fibre finished one, which is really nice. They're really great fun. As I say, they're totally reliable, they don't break the bank, and they're real good entry-level rifle combinations. If you go on our website and look at the value packages, you'll see a greater selection there. These particular rifles are all somewhere between £200 and £300 as a package, so great value. They're also covered with our lifetime guarantee, so again, no risks. If ever they go wrong, if they need servicing, you just bring them straight back and we do it.